Students, in previous video you have learned about lesson 3, the food we eat. Now in this video we will study about lesson 4, water a necessity. Let's warm up. Water is precious and should not be wasted. Cross the picture that shows water being wasted. Student, cross the picture that shows water being wasted. Read on. All living beings need water to stay alive. Most of the earth is covered with water. The main source of water on the earth is rain. Rainwater fills oceans, lakes, rivers and seas. Some of the rainwater goes under the ground and collects as underground water. Students, water is life. No one can live without it. Water is basic for life. Most of the earth is covered with water. Main source of the water on the earth is rain. Given below are pictures of some sources of water. Write the names of these sources in the space provided. Choose from the help box. Number 1, sea. Number 2, pond. Number 3, lake. Number 4, rain. Number 5th, well. Water in our daily life. We need water for many activities. Bathing, drinking, cooking, washing, to put out a fire. We should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. The water we drink should be clean. Students, we need water for bathing, drinking, cooking and washing. Take water in a glass, observe it and fill in the blanks. 1. Water has no color and is dash. The answer is colorless. 2. Water has no taste and is dash. The answer is tasteless. 3. Water has no smell and is dash. The answer is odorless. Storage of water. Water can be stored in many ways. Students, water can be stored in tank, bucket, bottle and glass. Water is precious. Water is precious and should not be wasted. Always close the tap after use. Keep the tap closed while brushing your teeth. Do not throw waste in water bodies. Take a bucket, bath instead of a shower. Take a bucket, bath instead of a shower. Students, water is precious. Let us save it. Always close the tap after use. Reuse water. Water can be reused and we can help to save it. We can use water used for washing vegetables to water plants. The water left in your water bottles can be used to water plants. Rainwater can be collected in buckets. It can be used to mop the floor. Students, water can be reused. We can reuse water used for washing vegetables to water plants. Students, you read the lesson carefully at home. Thank you.
Where do we get water from? We get water mainly from rain. The rainwater collects in rivers, lakes, streams and ponds. We make wells to use this water. We take out this water by using a hand pump and tube well. We store water in tanks on the roof in our house. Pipes bring this water to our taps. At home, when we open a tap, the water comes gushing out. Drink clean water. This water is not clean water. So, before we drink this water, we must make sure that it is clean, or else we can get sick. Do not waste water. Water is precious. Do not waste it. Keep the tap closed. When you are not using it, place a bucket under leaking pipes to collect the water. Use the water with which you wash vegetables to water the plants in the garden.
For more entertainment, log on and subscribe to www.youtube.com/Venus Kids World.